Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on LollyPayments, where we'll be discussing how to create OneLinks, which are specific payment links that your prospective or active client can click to make payment on their end. OneLinks are specific payment types that your office sets up, such as USCIS filing fees or consultation fees. The possibilities are endless with OneLinks. To get started, we'll simply click on the Settings tab on the navigation panel, and we'll select LollyPayments. On this screen, we'll be able to see our existing OneLinks, copy the URLs for those, and also create additional OneLinks. As we can see on this screen here, I have a few OneLinks already set up in my account. I have one for consultation fees, another one for USCIS filing fees, and a few to pay off your active case or pay towards your trust account. With OneLinks, your potential client or active client can make payments to their open invoice, or they can make payments to their trust account. Create a new OneLink, we'll simply click on the Add New button on the right, where we'll enter the details for our OneLink. We'll select the bank account where we would like the funds to go to, add an email address of a user that we would like to be notified once payment has been submitted, and we can enter an amount. We're ready, we can click Save to finish creating that OneLink. Just created that OneLink. To copy the URL for that specific OneLink, we'll click on the green link button at the far right, which will copy the URL to our clipboard. We can then paste this URL into any channel where we communicate with clients, such as email or through Lolly messaging if your account is set up with Lolly messaging. You can also visit the link yourself by clicking that orange button to the payment form that your clients will see. We see that they need to enter the details for their payment, including the reason for the payment, their name and information, and their payment method details. You'll also notice the amount is fixed based on that OneLink that I've created with a fixed amount. As you can see, creating OneLinks with LollyPayments is really easy and can be done in seconds. With these OneLinks, your office can paste them into your firm's website or in your email signatures to collect payments even faster and easier. Now with that link, any potential client or active client that you're working with can simply click on that link and make a payment into the payment form. Once payments are made, your office can see those payments under the Billing tab. By selecting LollyPayments and clicking on the third tab for OneLink Payments. Here you'll see every record of payments that have come through OneLink. For example, this first record, we see a OneLink payment of $500 was made on 12/28 towards this OneLink I've created called Pay Off Your Active Case. This is an example of a OneLink I've created where active clients can make partial payments towards their account using OneLink. All OneLink payment records will appear here, where your office can click on the action button of each OneLink payment and apply it to an open invoice or to a client's trust account. Creating OneLinks in LollyPayments and applying payments to open invoices or to trust accounts is really easy to do with LollyPayments and will really help your firm collect payments even faster and easier at your client's own convenience with LollyPayments. To learn more, please visit our help site at help.lollylaw.com, or you can email us at support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.